There are several settings in your phone that are hidden by default. It's because they are not that important to the majority of users. Aside from that, only developers can understand most of the settings, although there are some options that can also help improve your phone's performance. The developer options are hidden by default, as some of them may affect your phone's overall performance and responsiveness when enabled or changed. You have to enable it before you can access them, and that's what we're going to show you here. In this video, we will show you how to turn on the developer options on your Samsung Galaxy S21. To begin, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app drawer. Look for the Settings app, and tap on it. Scroll all the way down to find About Phone, and once found, tap on it. Look for Software Information, and tap on it. What you're looking for on this screen is the build number. Tap on it 7 times in a row to enable the developer options. You will be prompted to enter your security lock. Once you've done that, the developer options will be made available to you. So go back to the Settings main screen, and then scroll all the way down. The developer options should already be beneath About Phone. Tap on it to view the settings. You can now change the settings you want to change, or enable some features you like. After doing that, and if you want to hide developer options again, you simply have to toggle the switch and it will disappear from the settings page. We hope that this simple tutorial video can be helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.